Hello and welcome to True Door Property Management, and today we are in downtown Orange at 631 West Almond. Unit A is a little duplex with its entire front unit, the great front yard, right next to the orange circle. Oh, sorry, car passing by. Then we walk in. This is a beautiful 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom. You have your nice open layout, all tile flooring, beautiful windows. This is where your living room, dining area will be. It's a very large space, plenty of light. Go into the bedroom here. Still tile floor throughout. Nice windows. See right into your front yard. Nice long closet. Hello. Walk into the bathroom with everything you need. Full tub shower, plenty of storage, and a nice vanity there. And we'll walk around to the kitchen, which has everything you need. Fridge. There we go. Sorry, close this door so you can see everything here. You have the refrigerator, dishwasher, stove, oven, microwave, even a stackable washer and dryer. Everything that you need is here in this kitchen. And you also have a nice back patio. Here you have all of this space to you with the storage. Here's the side. And then you also have the grass area over here. If you're interested in this property, please go to our website, which is www.truedoorpm.com. Search for 631 West Almond Avenue. My name is Deanne, and I would be happy to get you approved and into this as your new home. So hopefully I'll be talking to you soon. Have a lovely day.